Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we're going to be mounting a 65-inch Samsung Art TV here over the fireplace, and you can see we have a tile surface, which is going to make it a little bit tricky. We should have studs here and here, which we can bolt into, and we're going to push all these wires into the wall and route our Connect One cable back down to the cabinet down below so that he can connect all his devices. I'll update the process as we complete the work. Thanks for watching. Hey, check it out guys. So there is an upgrade to the new frame TVs. You may have seen in our older videos that you need power to the TV as well as power to the Connect One box. Now they have it to where the cable goes straight to the TV, the Connect One cable, and then to the Connect. So there's no power from the TV. You just have the power going out of the Connect One box into your power outlet, which you can put down at the bottom of the wall or in a cabinet. So this fiber cable can just be routed straight through the wall by itself. No power outlet needed. And you can see it only comes with the one power cord, the remote, batteries, and then the fiber cable. Alright guys, so he's wired for a Smurf tube, and we're going to take our Connect cable and run it down through the wall for him, down to the termination point, which is over here to the side of the cabinet, so that all the wires are hidden. And you can see we just push the excess wiring into the wall so that it's not conflicting with the closeness of the frame TV. It's still there though if he ever needs it. He gets a different type of TV, and the HDMI terminations are on the TV itself, not on the Connect One. Alright, once you have your fish cable down fish to the other side of the tube, you can go ahead and connect your fiber cable to it and pull it up the wall. These come in 15 feet factory, and Samsung actually does make an extension for this that we just found out the other day, right? It's like 50 feet.
Yeah, they do. I don't think that's going to be too big.
I know, I'm a little worried if this is going to reach or not. Alright, we got it taped on there. We're hoping that it'll reach. Alright guys, so what just happened there was we couldn't get the wire through the tube, so we had to fish the line down manually. It's unfortunate, but we got it. Alright guys, so here's one other little thing that isn't mentioned in the advertisement for this product, and that's the fact that the wall plate does actually have some depth to it, and which is probably kind of why they went with the route of just the fiber line and nothing else, because if you put this wall plate on there with a power outlet, even if you do a recessed outlet, it still will sit off the wall that much. So it doesn't give you a completely flush finished product. So what we're going to do is pop this outlet off and just cap our wiring and push it in, and then not put a wall plate on this either. That way the TV can literally sit right up against the stone. All right, check it out guys. We got our outlet capped off. They can still use that wiring for future use, but for now everything's nice and flush. So now we're just gonna bolt our mount into the studs here on the wall. So if you look, I just marked out where the studs are. It's kind of easy in this situation because they bolt these boxes in when they build the house into the studs. So we got a stud here and a stud here, and I basically just jammed my knife in between to check which side the stud's on, which everything was framed pretty center on this particular situation. It's all right, we know exactly what's going on. So I just marked out where our, we're gonna drill in where our studs are, here, and then we're gonna drill through the tile and in the back of the wood. We got our 4 holes in. That was some tough stuff to get through, but we got it up. Now we can throw our mount up on the wall, and then we'll hang the TV. Check it out. This is definitely our best one yet. Look at how tight to the wall this thing is. Turned out beautiful. all just because we didn't put that outlet on there. I mean, I don't know if you've seen our other videos, guys, but this is literally the closest I think we've gotten it. All right, let's power it on. Oh, we have power. Another frame TV. How pretty.
Hello and welcome.
All right, guys, thanks for watching our video. We just finished up this installation and everything looks absolutely beautiful. This is the 65-inch 2019 frame TV from Samsung. We do sell this product and have a low price guarantee with free shipping. And if you're in the Dallas area, we can do the installation for you. You can see with taking those outlets off, the installation turned out better than any of them we've done before. Now this is only with the 2019 model because it does not have the power cord behind it. But I hope you guys found this video informative, and if you guys would like anything in the future, just give us a call, 972-322-4607, or shoot us an email. This is Zach and Grayson with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.